Elon Musk admitted the use of prescribed ketamine as he claims that it is beneficial for investors in Tesla Inc. and the other companies he runs. Musk made these comments while talking to former CNN anchor Don Lemon.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
I'm gonna start crying right now, and I'm so emotional. Like, my pussy is so good. Like, it's so good. But
that my little boy, she been pulling up all and come right to the spot. I put dick in her stomach. Play with that pussy, play with some more money. That nigga rich and I keep the whole coming. Shaking my best, all I see is abundance. Caught in the color, they chill like it's nothing. I know you special with stars in the roof, and you still watching out for the judge. I'm on my bed, stuck on the passport. Money on the dashboard, on the dashboard. She got like a task force. Hands on the bag, bitch, I'm a bad boy. Put on the tab, got you be broken, I heard it's contagious. Wrap it all night and I count the candy. Working up back, gotta call me baby. Pull up with 10, she knocked me shade. Put it to the crib, the neighborhood gated. Residency for the summer is Vegas. Spirit of ecstasy, cruising is daisy. I'm blowing in the back of Mercedes. I'm on the track, I'm famous. Fucking this hoe to a cadence. Mom in the spot, got status. The rich understand my range, understand my. You see a pretty picture, I paint it. You see a pretty face, I paint. Stacking more case than Danish. We get across the states and they hate it. I'm on my bed, stuck on the passport. Money on the dashboard, on the dashboard. She got like a task force. Hands on the bed, bitch, I'm a bad boy. Put on the tab. Say, bring the rest, I'm done. I'm connected to chasing me a rape out the name, they get made. I got millions to